singular, pues sí sabe disfrutar de la rumba como nadie, y no hay quien le tumbe el plante cuando se trata de gozar.
Videos.
Look at that. We got the tortillas on the grill right now. Do the thing with your toes, bruh. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god. We're going to the place. Ow, fuck. Ow. Dude, my fucking ankle, bro. We're crashing another Fiesta. Hey y'all, it's your boy Buster Guster. Welcome back to another video. Fucking filling up fast. Holy shit.
Grab a little bit more. Tube.
What's good, guys? Today we're doing the popping ball prank at the basketball court.
There's a baby daddy over there.
Baby daddy, there's a victim. Bro, get this shit out of here, bro. Dude, give this shit.
Chill, bro. Oh shit.
Are you ready, bro?
Alright, YouTube. No, throw it at the ground so it goes that way. Wait. Oh no. Go over there. Go over there.
Right,
yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nah.
I think it needs a little bit more, dude. No way, dude. You need to fill it up a little bit more. Yeah, y'all trying to smash it? Bro, feel how like smash. Give it like a good toss, like a good fucking smash.
Throw it at the ground. Bruh. Nah, that wasn't enough.
No fucking way, dude. We gotta fill it up some more. No, I don't. Let's go fill it up some more. All right, we're putting more air inside of it because it's not ready to pop. Bro, that's hard as a rock, dude.
Yeah, it's the form, bro. It's ready.
It's ready?
Go back.
It's your boy Buster Guster here. We're doing the smash and bowl. Ready?
Back. Back. Go back.
Stop, stop. What the fuck
Stop.
are you doing?
Go back.
Can you shut up? Alright, ready? You got
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the?
dude.
What the?
That's great. Put it on your head.
Oh, that looks like a. Yeah, it looks